Secret Telegram bots. Part 1. Number 1. Reminy Pro Bot. Select the first one and you just need to upload the image. The bot gives 3 different quality images for enhance and also have features like filters, face swap, edit background, and many more. You don't need to pay money for editing apps anymore. Number 2. QR Code Bot. This bot converts your text into QR code. For example, I will type follow for more AI tools. Number 3. APK Downloader Bot. Now you can download any games and apps with Modi APK. Number 4. Downloader Bot. Now you can download anything from any social media platform using link. Number 5. Photo colorist or bot. Now you can change your black and white photo into color. Follow for more AI tools.